So I think, given the fraught state of relations between the United States and Pakistan, whatever door opener this turned out to be, icebreaker, door opener, I think we all need to treat it as an event that was positive. But I think we need to go beyond an event in Pak US ties. It's a process. Like all relationships, for outcomes to be sustainable and measured in any metrics of success, I'm afraid Pakistan will be asked to do a lot more. The do more will carry on, perhaps couched in nicer terms, with framed by a lunch. But I think the do more will continue, and Pakistan will be expected to really do the heavy lift in Afghanistan, which means getting the Afghans to agree to a ceasefire and to also speak to their government, which they call a puppet government. So I think there's a long way to go. There's also Iran to consider, which has great stakes in the region and is presently in a high state of tension in the Middle East with the United States. So I think a lot of American balls are up in the air, including Trump's own re-election, and he's linking this to a legacy because actually I'm not sure there's anything else to show for it in international relations. And if Pakistan can provide him that fillip to burnish his reputation and ratings, I think he will continue with perhaps reaching out compared to what he did earlier. And in the age of Twitter tripwires and the way the Trump White House lives in a constant state of transactional present, if you know what I mean, the past and the future will be really up for grabs.